MCP adoption grew 1,200% in the first 6 months of 2026. Every major AI company now supports it. If you build AI tools, you need to understand MCP. MCP is a protocol that lets AI models connect to external tools, data sources, and APIs in a standardized way. Think of it as USB-C for AI, one standard that works everywhere. Before MCP, every AI integration was custom. Now you build one MCP server and it works with Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and every MCP-compatible client. Build once, use everywhere. I'll build a simple MCP server that connects to a database in 20 lines of code. Then we'll connect it to Claude and query our data with natural language. Complete coding tutorial building an MCP server from scratch, connecting it to Claude Desktop and demonstrating tool calls, resource access, and prompt templates. The MCP documentation and my starter templates are linked in the description. Subscribe for the advanced MCP tutorial covering authentication, streaming, and production deployment.